book too? Yeah, I can read a story. Hey, Big Bird. Oh, here she says. Excuse you. That was a big hiccup. What did you think of that? Are you a happy baby? Yes. With big hiccups.